Hey guys, this is just going over that homework that I gave you. I want to make sure that you had them all right before you moved on. Starting with number 5, I already did the first 4, and so check these. Weren't very difficult. I'm going to go through them kind of quickly. Again, please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. But go ahead, number 5. Remember your midline is at the end. So 1, put it here at 1. Your amplitude is never negative, so your amplitude would just be 4. So it's going to go up 4 to be a height of 5. Subtract 4, and that's at negative 3. So your maximum is 5, your minimum is negative 3, and of course the period is 2 pi. Now for this one, 2 pi at the end. Scoot over a little. So 2 pi. Not going to label all of them. It's always the same labels. But remember, for this one, sign always starts in the middle. The negative just tells you the direction to go. So you go down first, back to the middle, up, back to the middle. So your graph should look like that. Alright, next one, midline. That is a negative, and it's okay for the midline to be negative, so negative 5. The amplitude is 7, so negative 5 plus 7 is 2. Negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12. Is that right? I need to check that. And so your maximum is at 2, your minimum is at negative 12, period is 2 pi. And remember, cosine starts at the top. So hopefully you've got that by now. All right. Number 7. Midline would be the 10. The amplitude is 3. Of course, 2 pi for the period. So 10 up 3 is 13, down 3 is 7. So 13 is your max, 7 is your minimum. Of course, negative cosine or negative sign down first. Number 8, midline's at 3. Amplitude is 5. Up 5 would give you 8. Down 5 would put you at negative 2. 2 pi, 8, negative 2, sine. All right. Number 9, midline at 8, amplitude is 3, 2 pi is the period, 8. Go up 3 to 11, down 3 to 5. So 11 and 5. Negative cosine starts at the bottom. Middle, top, middle, bottom. Look like that. Midline, negative 7. Amplitude is 2. So negative 7. Up 2 would be negative 5. Down 2 would be negative 9. So negative 5 is the maximum, negative 9 is the minimum. 2 pi is the period, and negative sign. 1, number 11, midline at 1, amplitude is 6. So up 6 will put you at 7. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. So 7, negative 5. 2 pi is the period, and a positive cosine. Negative 12 is your midline. 5 is the amplitude. Negative 12 plus 5 is 7. Negative 12 minus 5 is negative 17. So negative 7. Sorry. So negative 7 is your max. Negative 17 is your minimum. 2 pi is the period. All right. And then the last page of these that you had, probably didn't take you too long to do this. You have midline at -7, amplitude is 4, positive 4. So -7, up 4 is -3, down 4 is -11. Period is 2 pi. Maximum is -3, -11. Number 14. Oh, did you see all that? Yep. 14, your midline's at 8, amplitude's at 1. So 8, 9, 7. 9 is your maximum, 7 is your minimum. 2 pi is the period. Just remember, a negative cosine starts at the bottom. Oh, missed that 1 point. All right. Midline's at 7, amplitude is 12. 7 plus 12 would put you at 19. 7 minus 12. Oh, I'm going to cheat here with my calculator. -5. So 19 is your maximum. -5 is the minimum. 2 pi is the period. Negative sign, make sure you're going down first. And then the last one, 6 is the midline. 5 is the amplitude. So up 5 would be 11. Down 5 would be 1. Period's 2 pi, 11, and 1. Again, negative cosine, starting at the bottom. Started at the bottom, now we're here. There we go. Alright, so that's your homework, hopefully, or what you were assigned already. Hopefully you did okay. Check that work. Again, send me questions or use Remind if you need anything. The next lesson is about what's going to change the period. So it's the same idea. So open up the next lesson, watch the video, open up the notes and take notes along with it, and then complete the work for the next assignment. We have a short week this week because of spring break coming up, so we're only in school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this will probably take us through completing that, and then we can get a fresh start after spring break with the other stuff. All right.